guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another monthly subscription for the snack surprise. It actually came really early this month, and to be honest I just set it to the side and forgot about it, so I thought I'd best get this done. I would just like to say that anybody new to my channel, hi, I'm Claire. I'm from Northern Ireland, and sometimes you'll see my husband Robert or my daughter Amy join me on these videos. But let's get into this box. Okay, so as you all know, every month the snack surprise box, it turns up like this, and I get the original box, which including your delivery is $12.99, and every month you get obviously snacks from a new country to try. So let's get straight in. Okay, so this month's box, very fitting, considering that's where a lot of people are going at the minute, since the new traffic light system has been installed for travel. Portugal. So let's see what we're going to have in this box from Portugal. Okay, so the first thing we're going to try is, I presume they're crisps. They are super Doradas, as I say, never get these names right. That's those there. What does it say? Crinkle cut potato chip with an intense chorizo flavour, so pork sausage. Let's give them a go.
I like them. Tastes like it's a mild like paprika.
Yeah, and they're not. I don't think they are chorizo. I've read that wrong. It's chorizo sausage, or Portuguese pork sausage. Okay, I have to say I do like those. They're not something that I would normally gravitate towards, but yeah, I think they're nice. I do like those. So excuse me, I have to take a wee drink because unbelievable how cloggy your mouth gets trying all these. Okay, so this is another bag of crisps. This is Lay's. That's them there. And what flavour are these? Tomato flavoured crisps that will make you feel the taste of a Mediterranean farm. These I found in these European countries. We've had quite a lot of tomato flavoured crisps in the box. It must be a big thing there. I have to say it's not my bag at all, but we'll give them a go.
Let's see. There's a lot of flavour, but
yeah,
it's not.
I like those. I don't mind those because they're not overpowering in tomato flavour. So I don't mind those, to be honest. Yeah, dead on. Right, the next thing we're going to try is, oh, this looks like some sort of croissant or something. A chipicayo? Yeah. Croissant made with soft dough and delicious cocoa cream filling that gives you the energy you need. That's it there. To be honest, I don't think I'm going to open that. We sort of know what a chocolate filled croissant tastes like, or do you want to give it a go? Or
I would say it'd be the same as the ones we get in Tesco.
yeah, so I'll leave that. I'll not open that one because a chocolate filled croissant is a chocolate filled croissant, really. Right, okay. The next thing, something chocolate.
Regina almonds.
Whole almonds embraced in fine milk chocolate and covered with cinnamon. Oh, I'm gonna love these. I love anything like this. I really like those. You're probably not keen because of the cinnamon.
Not too bad.
The cinnamon is really predominant, flavour. which I really don't mind at all. I love cinnamon.
It's just it's the chocolate because you're used to your own dairy milk and Galaxy. And
but no, I like those. Those are really nice, I have to say. Right, okay. The next thing, tartelettes.
I like these probably.
Okay. Tartlets with a delicious, rich strawberry filling in the centre. They are Moorish, we shall see. Let's see. Okay. Take one. Oh. Oh my god, one stuck in the packet. Jammy Dodger.
I wouldn't even call it because the jam flavour is just not there for me. It's not.
Yeah, no.
It's more biscuit I taste than anything else.
I mean the jam flavour isn't, but I'm saying it would remind me of a Jammy Dodger. Literally remind me of a Jammy Dodger. But I don't mind them, yeah. Could do the jam could be doing with being more flavoursome, but I think they're okay. I don't mind them. I'm doing quite well in this box by now. There's usually something that I've come across and I like that. Right. The next thing is, it just says nougat. A delicious bar of, obviously, nougat made from pure honey and peanuts that are roasted in a very traditional way. Okay. Seems to be quite a lot in this box this month. I don't know. You know, last month it was Australia or something like that, and we just flew through it. Oh God. Oh my God. Break your teeth.
Yeah, I like them.
Really, really nice.
I think there's an English version of one. If memory serves me right.
Really like that, but if you any kind of veneers or dentures, you might want to pass on that one. Right, okay. The next thing is some Brijas, an iconic Portuguese chocolate umbrella. It brings back many childhood memories to many Portuguese. Okay, so by the sounds of things, this is just going to be like a slab of chocolate shaped like an umbrella. Yeah. Sorry, I didn't even probably show you. It came in that packaging there, and that's what it looks like when we pull it out. Make of that what you may. Again, it's fine. It's just like Robert had said, when you're used to your own chocolate, then when you taste something from another country, you can just take a bit of getting used to. Right, will we try a drink? We're going to try a tin here, and it is some Simol, a highly refreshing drink with pineapple juice, lightly carbonated with real fruit pulp, and a truly Portuguese drink. Okay.
Sounds nice.
Oh, I like that. It would be even nicer really, really cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice, but I could just imagine that in the fridge or over some ice. It would be really lovely. Okay, the next thing we have got suckers. These are classic chewy fruit flavoured sweets made with concentrated fruit juice. 5 classic flavours to try. So these are them here. I don't know whether they're going to be a bit like our Chews or like our Starburst, something like that, but we'll give them a go. And that's the blue one. You've got a, what flavour is that going to be? The blue one?
Blueberry. No favourite tip.
This is strawberry, and they're definitely, I can confirm, they're of a Starburst texture. Honestly, if you didn't show me that packaging, I would have thought I was eating strawberry Starburst, to be honest. Yeah, I don't mind them. They're grand. Not a problem. Okay, the next thing is, there is quite a lot in this box this month, I feel. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Regina milk chocolate. Okay. Again, there we go. And it is passion fruit. Delicious and creamy. Oh, you get two different ones. So you either get a pineapple or a passion fruit. We have got the passion fruit. It's creamy milk chocolate with either pineapple or passion fruit. So we've had the passion fruit one. So give it a go.
No. No.
Not like that.
That's horrible.
I don't mind it. I actually really think it's quite nice.
No.
No, it doesn't bother me at all. I like that. But then Robert is not a sweet person. He would have savoury all day long, while I have a really super sweet tooth. No, it was really, really nice. I thought the chocolate was quite creamy. And at first, you don't get the passion fruit coming through, but then it hits you sort of at the very last, and you can feel it. I don't mind it, Robert, it wasn't for you.
Not for me.
Right, okay. This is the last thing, because the other things that are in the box are just a couple of bubble gums, different flavoured bubble gums. And we all know what bubble gums is like. Sometimes they throw them in. They're called a Gorilla Gum. And they've been chewing them in Portugal since 1975, and they've just included a few flavours. So obviously we're not going to sit here and test bubble gum. We all know what that is. Okay, sorry, God, I'm going to tell you what these are before I break into them. These are caramellos. That's those there. And they are a classic fruit toffee with a delicate creamy flavour everyone raves about and enjoys. Okay. Well, I have to get into them first to be able to enjoy them. That's me. So there we go. What's that, orange? I'll take a different flavour. I'll try the pineapple then.
They're like
chip, Portella.
no, them other ones. Got a name in there.
They're more like a Frutella than a chip, I think.
I.
Oh yeah, yeah. But no, I like them. That was the pineapple. What was your orange one? So try another one. Try a different flavour. Try that one. Try strawberry.
Yeah, the orange is fine.
Yeah, I like them. We're going to fall down a rabbit hole now. Sitting here eating sweets, so we'll have to stop. As you can tell, they're quite chewy.
But they are nice.
Yeah, maybe that second one was a mistake. I thought I was never going to stop chewing that. But yeah, really nice. Really enjoyed those. So yeah, that was the box from Portugal this year. As I say, this month. Honestly, it has been one of those years, hasn't it? But yeah, so if you're just looking for something different, a different subscription box to try, I do recommend the Snack Surprise. As I say, just type in Snack Surprise into your Google and it'll bring it up. And it'll tell you all the information there, different subscription boxes that you can have, prices, etc. But thanks again for joining us, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!
Bye!